Hi, today we are going to see demo for OnlineComplaint PHP Web Application. So first open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Let's go to the Visual Studio. First explore the complaint folder. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the login details and then URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the online complaint PHP web application. It serves three roles: officer, admin and user. First go to the admin login. Enter the email ID and password. Then log in into the admin homepage. Now you can see the admin homepage. First go to the officer. Here you can register the officer details on this page. So enter the officer name, email ID and password, mobile number. Then select the location. Then select the department. Then click on the register. Next go to the view officer. Here you can see the all officer details and then admin will be update and delete the information. Next go to the all reports. Here first of all you can see the complaint status and then you can search by a category. Then you can see the category wise the reports. Then go to the location. Here you can see the all cities list and then you can add the new city. Admin will be update and delete the cities. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the sign up and then register the user detail. Enter one name, email ID, then password. Enter a mobile number and city. Now click on the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, 8 digits of length. Then now we can register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Now login successfully. First go to the complaint module. Here you can post your complaint on this page. So enter one name and landmark, then give your address. Next select our location, then select the complaint type. Whatever you will select the location and complaint type, your complaint will be sent to that location and that department officer. Then raise your complaint, then select the complaint level. Next post the complaint. Next go to the status. Here you can see the all complaint. So you can search your name or any details. You can find your complaint and then first you can see the complaint status. Then you can see the reason and solution. Then go to the update map. Here you can update your area. Drag and drop to the red bubble, then click on the update geo map. Now you can update your area. Next you will upload the complaint proof. Go to the upload photo, then upload the complaint proof. Click on the feedback. Here you can share our feedback. If you want to contact to admin, go to the admin info. Here you can see the admin contact detail. Next we will move for the officer login. Enter the email ID and password. Now login successfully. Now you can see the officer homepage. It's have a 4 modules. First go to the complaint. Here you can see the all complaints on this page, and then you will be update the status. Go to the update and then update the complaint status. Next you can update the proof and then go to the show map. You can see the complaint area. Then go to the report. Here you can see the all complaint status reports on this page. Then go to the customers. Here you can see the user IDs. Then click on the feedback. Here you can see the user feedback about the service. That's the whole online complaint PHP web application.